us Dr. Neelam Bhise, who has an expertise in fertility and will help us understand the emotional and the medical side of this journey. Welcome, Dr. Neelam.
Thank you so much.
So there are many people who do not understand what IVF actually is. Can you put some light on this topic in simple language?
IVF stands for in vitro fertilization. So there has to be something in vivo when you're talking about in vitro.
Yes.
So that means naturally when somebody is getting pregnant, that is what we call as in vivo, in the body. So how the pregnancy happens in the body has to be understood by a person.
Yes.
The egg and the sperm, they unite in the fallopian tube. The journey is so beautiful, nature itself works so beautifully that there is a contractility to the tubes and the pregnancy gets fertilized in the fallopian tube, and from there the pregnancy comes back in the uterus.
Correct.
Now for that what you need is successful ovulation. You need a lot of metabolic and other factors to be in good correction. Then you need good sperm count,
Yes.
and you need the tubes, the passage is to be open.
Okay.
So for some couples, because of any reason, it can be male factor, which is called oligospermia, oligoasthenospermia, teratospermia. There are a lot of different nomenclatures to it, but the male factor. Or sometimes girls have PCOD, endometriosis, and they are not ovulating well. That is a ovulation factors. And some women have tube factor, or some have one or two factors taken together. So in these cases, the IVF comes in picture. And in IVF, we simply cannot create artificial baby. In IVF, what we do is we fertilize the same egg and the sperm, which was going to be fertilized in the fallopian tube.
Correct.
We bypass the function of the fallopian tube.
Yes.
We make the embryo in the petri dish, monitor it in incubators and culture conditions. The science is so vast and so advanced, so all the advanced technologies are used, whether it is laser, blastocyst, culture medias, sperm selection techniques, ICSI, and then the embryos are formed. And these embryos are put in the mother's womb when her womb is ready. And that is called in vitro fertilization, that we call test tube baby or IVF.
Very well explained, Dr. Neelam.